Okay, the steamer has just gone off. I had about a cup and a half of water in it. And to show you the results, okay, this is the barbecue chicken. And as you can see, the amount of liquid that came out of the chicken um, will also indicate if it's fully cooked or not. Obviously, for me, this is fully cooked because of the amount of liquid that came out. You can always, if you want, for particularly barbecue sauce, if you want a more intense flavor, what you could do is drain the liquid and then add more sauce. Add more sauce to give you a more intense flavor. In this particular case, since I'm packing this away, I'm going to take some cold rice that I had made earlier and remove some of the excess rice that's in there and use it for another dish. So I'm going to take out some of the rice here and just enough room to leave for this. And in this particular case, I know my son likes a lot of barbecue sauce, so I'm just going to scoop up the chicken in this case. Um, for me, I would just eat it straight as because I don't need all the sugar. But he has a sweet tooth, so we're going to just add more sauce and and cover it back up. The cold rice also helps cool down the food because he's not ready to eat this yet. And then again, with the curry chicken, same thing. You see how much liquid there is because this was completely dry when I first got it. And I'm going to, since this is for me, I just usually eat it as is. So I can add more curry if I want. I may probably take out the butter curry that I have, drain the liquid, and just add the butter curry on top and just melt it through. Okay, so that's this dish. And then we'll go ahead and keep on steaming our soy chicken, our more traditional soy chicken.